Sorry to alarm you. Yodelay, yodelay, yodelay. Good morning, good evening, good morning, good evening. Hi, so you have this unfortunate... I look like a hamster. I literally look like Hamtaro. I look like Alvin and the Chipmunks. What's that song that they sang? Oh my god, what just came over me? Jojo Siwa just entered my body. Oh, the camera angle. I'm feeling great about myself right now because, you know, self-confidence is key, self-confidence is sexy, and I just tried on a pair of trousers and couldn't fit over my big fat ass. Slim thick. So that's why you are appreciating this camera angle and seeing me from my man boobs up. Thank you very much. Anyway, my hair is wet. I just got out of the shower and I'm about to get ready for the day. My camera's about to run out of storage. Is that fucking joke? Hi, we're back, ladies and gentle pigs. So yes, every morning I like to start off feeling fresh as a daisy. So I have a quick shower and make sure I wash every circumference, centimeter, and follicle on my body. Next up, I go through in a very intense skincare routine, my lovelies, so please make sure you give a thumbs up and subscribe. Today I'm just doing a day of my life vlog. That was not enough. My skin needs to be... Oh my god, I got it in my... Oh my god, my eye is stinging. That was a near-death experience. Wow. Oh wow. Not fun. Ow, it's still stinging. Oh my god, someone please call my mom or the RSPCA. Anyway, I'm doing a vlog because I ran out of content ideas. But you know, everybody is always wondering what it's like being a YouTuber and how busy our lives are from time to time. So today I'm going to show you, don't say I never treat you all. I've got a fair few things to do today, you know, I've got some very important businesswoman meetings. I'm also hosting a game of confetti today! Woo! Oh, you are screaming and excited! I'm applying a ridiculous amount of moisturizer. Why am I applying more on? This is why I can't multitask. Because boys can't multitask. Because boys drool and girls rule. Give this video a thumbs up if you hate boys too. Ew, cooties. I actually cannot believe I'm starting a vlog like this. I literally look like, I don't know, Smithers from The Simpsons.
Yeah, in hindsight, I literally look nothing like him. I just like to put a formal and public apology out there for anyone that was affected by this. I retract my statement, and I mean nothing by those words. Amen.
Anyway, ultimate breakdown is over. Yeah, I'm hosting a game of confetti today, which if you didn't know, it's basically a quiz show on your phone. So if you have ever dreamed of being on The Chase, fun fact, I once applied for that, did not get on, I'm not quite sure why. I have the brains of Einstein himself reincarnated. But if you ever wanted to be on The Chase, but save the embarrassment of you getting no questions right and going home immediately on national television, then confetti is the place for you to be, sweetheart, sweet day. On every weekday, Monday to Friday. I'm gonna pick you up now because I'm feeling sorry for this. Well, actually, we could have been better down there. Confetti is a game show that is on every weekday from Monday to Friday, and you can win a share of 3 grand Monday to Thursday, and a whopping share of 5 grand, 5,000 big ones, 5,000 hot dogs on Friday. Today is Thursday, so my show is gonna be 3 grand. Shout out to any of you who are gonna win. I know my subscribers are the cleverest people on the planet because you have to do an IQ test to actually subscribe, and so you can all welcome to my channel. But yeah, it's on Facebook Watch, so basically you just have to go over to their Facebook page. I'll leave the Facebook page linked in the description box down below. It's on like basically every day. No, not basically every day. It is on every weekday. So it's not basically, it is literally on every weekday. Okay, stop talking now, Lewis, thank you. And I've also got some other bits and bobs that I'm doing throughout the day, you know, just girly girl things, catching up with the girls, having a little giggle in a glass of maybe bubbly or maybe an OJ over some chatting and gossiping about boys and stuff. I love game shows. I'm addicted to all type of game shows. Sorry for that brief interlude. I am literally ready for this. This is what I was born for. My mother conceived me for 9 months for this day. me! I now need to try and make myself feel better and pretend like I haven't just cried staring in the mirror for 5 minutes because I couldn't fit trousers around my waist, and find a pair that fit me. I'm also running late, so you know I'm probably not going to pick you up before I get to confetti for rehearsal, so don't miss me too much. TTYLXOX. Okay, don't break the camera, Lewis. You literally just broke your last one. Hi, howdy diddly, neighborina. So I've now arrived. I'm in. Oh, sorry. So I have now arrived in my personal dressing room. Not trying to brag or anything. Oh, hi Samira. Samira, I love your Love Island. Please can we get a picture together? Oh my god. I am sweating. Which you might be like, why are you sweating? It's the middle of winter. Well, let me tell you, global warming is happening, so make sure you use metal straws. I am reverted to a t-shirt. I was in a coat and a fleece and a t-shirt. Not trying to brag or anything, not trying to prove that I'm rich. But yes, I did have 3 layers on, I can afford that. Feeling like I am in Tenerife. I've never been to Tenerife, but a boy can imagine what it would feel like to be there. I am in the green room, or the prop room, whatever you want to call it. Why does it look like I've broken my nose from this angle? Oh, sorry, my little mitt is coming through. Don't mind it if I do. Who is she? She is me. I'm speaking really quietly because I can feel like all the like important people next door can hit me, and I don't really want to be fired before I even start. That is not the karma that I need to be getting today, honey. Sorry, that was me just getting pretzel out my tooth. Do not show your parents that because they will not let you watch the rest of my videos. It's a sin against. Ow! Oh my god. Kind of actually hurt. I'm so weak. I'm frail. I'm a frail little boy. I bruise like a peach. Sorry, what's that? I can't hear you over my money. Thank you. Next. Oh my god, my fat head can't fit this necklace over. Wag money, dollar bills, y'all. Hello everybody, welcome to my Spring Room Tour 2016 for all my lovely pastel girls. Everything is from IKEA. The maquillage station makeup, so I can go from an ugly little boy to a beautiful, gorgeous princess. Wow, the studio, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my god, lights, camera, action, ladies and gentlemen. Hi, we're live reporting the news from 10. I'm not being funny. Oh my god, wow, okay, this is very zoomed in. Get my face away right now. Oh my god, stop. Oh my god, it's going in, Stop! Like, wow, okay, I'm kind of here for this lighting, ladies and gentlemen. Some selfies will most likely be taken, but you know, that's all part of the fun and games and activities of the day. I don't know why I feel like I'm on set for America's Next Top Model. Hi, it's Tai. I have 6 pictures remaining, and those 6 pictures represent the girls still in the running to become America's Next Top Model. So this is where I'll be standing. Hi everyone, welcome back to my dance show. And I am now going to get a beverage because I'm feeling quite parched, to be honest. That is a fact, not a statement or opinion. Don't get it twisted. You could see that on my famous birthdays profile. Remember to boost me on famous birthdays. Just gonna grab myself a quick beverage, thank you. Sparkling water only, please, not still. That's for the unclassed, unladylike. Whereas me, myself, I am a lady. That's what I am. Oh, she's beautiful. She's not her. She
we love
is
a
beautiful.
vlogger. Hey guys, welcome back to my mukbang. So,
And she never spoke again.
Hello boys and girls around the world and across the world, it's me just checking in.
Stop right there, thank you very much. I need somebody with a human towel.
I'm now at my management's office because we have a meeting. So yeah, that basically means I'm going to be silent for the next hour because, oh, almost just dropped my phone. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, baby. I'm going to be silent because I have no idea what's going on. Yeah. Hi, so we're back. We are in our outfit for le soir. She's bilingual now. I've got this in. It hurts. I will not lie, but I am living my Britney Spears fantasy. Oh, bye. Yeah. T-minus 7 minutes. Not trying to brag. Please don't comment hate. signs is represented by an animal that could produce milk. Capricorn, Taurus, or Aries. Not gonna...
Do you actually?